What's up, YouTubians? Gary, VW Jawbreaker. Welcome back to another video where today we're gonna make more progress on that 1960 Volksrod. Wait, huh? Well, we got the welder out, secondary work table out, and I don't want sparks and all that stuff getting all over the car. I guess I'm one of those owners now that covers their car. I don't know. Anyway, there's also something underneath the cover that hasn't been shown on video yet. You can't see it yet. Just hang tight. I got some cool stuff coming up. So, again, it's a 1960 Volksrod Baja Franken Beetle build that we've been working on for what seems like 45 eternities. So today's video, we've got to jump in and get the doors done. So we've got some trim holes to fill. We've got some down in the lower corners, some patches, little bit of surface rust here and there. And also down here in the bottom tray, I'm gonna go ahead and treat that with some OSFO before we hit it with primer and all that. So, there's nothing left to do but to jump on it and get started. Let's get crack-a-lackin'. I'm about ready to fire up the fans. It's getting hot here in Florida. So, got these all squared away. Nice and smooth. And we'll go ahead now. Gotta come up with a game plan to kind of rebuild that little bit of a corner right there. So I'll probably bring it up, over, and then just build like a little L piece. Not sure. And the same goes for right here. A little bit right there to rebuild. So that's what we're gonna jump on next. Once that's done, we can go ahead and give it a good sand, hit all the bare spots with self-etching primer, hit the whole door with primer, regular primer. Then we'll be ready to go ahead and do some fill work, hit it again with primer, then we'll scuff it, be ready to shoot it the Raptor liner green color. All right, well, now time for the fun part. Let's do that next. All right, one corner down and one corner to go. This one will be easier than the other corner. Just needs a small piece right there, and luckily that door needs a lot less than that door, so we did the hard one first. I got lucky on that one. All right, enough jibber jabber. Let's just get back to work and see how much we can get knocked out today. Yeah, we got a lot to do. Let's get at it. All right, we got the first door in primer, and man, do I love having kids. Dependent number 2 does a great job around the house. All right, anyway, so we got the self-etching primer basically on the door. We got that hanging up, kind of drying. Fans going, because you know how it is, it's hot. So that's all squared away. Once that dries good, we'll go ahead and hit a couple spots of filler that we need to do. And then we've got regular primer to hit the whole door, and then we'll scuff it, prep it, all that jazz, yada yada yada. Then we'll be ready to shoot. So in the meantime, while that's drying, we'll go ahead and hit door number 2. And we've got, of course, the trim holes to do, sand it down, and only one corner to fill this time. Not bad. So let's get going on that. Well, that camera just said, I'm out. It's gone. The latest is battery's charged, but it's saying it's too hot. I mean, it's only 91 with a heat index right now of 100, so I don't know what its problem is. All right, let me get you caught up. So there's the first door, there's the second door. Got everything hit with the first coat of self-etching primer. Now it's just a matter of letting that dry, and we'll go ahead and hit that one with the regular filler primer, get that all situated. Then we'll go ahead and hit it with a little bit of filler, and then prime it again, scuff it, all that wonderful jazz. And I'll be ready to shoot with the liner. Let's get after it, crack-a-lackin', and get her done. Alright, door still lines up and works. So I think we are good to go ahead and continue getting everything primed, scuffed, wiped down, and shot. And of course we got to do the same stinking thing to this door and make sure all that's good to go. But man, we are making progress. And for the naysayers, haha. Oh, and I found the trick to this camera. Put it in the fridge. It helps cool it down because it's hot out there. All right, enough goofing around. Let's get back to work. Driver door down. Passenger door. Passenger door is down. We got it scuffed. We got it cleaned. We got it filled. A little bit of filler. Hit it with some primer. After we sanded it and wiped it again, we are good to go. Except for, man, is it just brutal. I'm gonna call it a day. We'll be back. All right, so next morning, it's almost 7 in the morning. Of course, I've been up for a while. Doesn't mean that everybody else has. But we get everything laid out, masked off. We're getting ready to go ahead and shoot this. First, we need to scuff it a little bit. Then we'll wipe it real quick. And we'll go ahead and shoot it with the Raptor liner. And I chose to do it out here so I don't make a mess everywhere else and have to empty the garage. And the sun's not beating us. It's supposed to be 9 million degrees again today. Chance of rain here in a little while. And I've got a small window to get this done because we're leaving for vacation in a few hours. Don't tell the wife I'm out here. All right, let's get crack-a-lackin' and get this done. All right, everything's been scuffed with 120, wiped down with grease and wax remover, taped off, ready to go. Before the sun hits, go ahead and get this thing shot, get this checked off the list. Let's do it. And there we go. Doors are shot, and before the sun starts beating on them. Hey, like it. There are a couple boo-boos, and it's good enough. Remember, the theme of this car is it's good enough. So it's good enough. I wish it was perfect, I really do, guys, but I'm kind of being realistic here with my goals and really realizing that I don't really have the patience to do perfect work. Not on this car. Remember, this was supposed to be a rat rod, and it's turned into that. So, all right, I gotta go get packing, gotta get a few things done, let these dry for a bit. Right before we leave, I should be able to shove them in the garage, let them dry for the next couple days, and when I come back, hey, we're gonna put them on the car. And there we go. One door on. Set it in place, put my little quick release pins in, and she is on. Love it. So these are the original handles that came on the door. What I did is they were severely pitted. So I sanded them down, got them smooth, hit them with some self-etching primer, hit them with some black, and there we go. Love it. Man, we are making some progress. I tell you what, just next time I get the jawbreaker out of the way, we'll go ahead and stick that door on, get that one done. But we are pretty much squared away. So, thanks so guys for sticking around. I appreciate it. Appreciate you being here. Appreciate the support and the encouragement, because we are making great progress on the Sickxty. So, till the next time, be kind and be good.